Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of mesh network systems with the Linksys Velop Pro 6e. Now, this sleek and futuristic-looking setup promises to cover your entire home with reliable Wi-Fi, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design. The Velop Pro 6e boasts a modern tower design that's both attractive and unobtrusive. Its all-white finish and curved edges blend seamlessly into any home environment, making it a winner in the aesthetics department. But looks aren't everything, right? Let's dive into the specs. Under the hood, the Velop Pro 6e packs a punch with its Wi-Fi 6E technology, supporting data rates of up to 5.4 gigabits per second. Plus, with support for wired backhaul, you can ensure a stable connection throughout your home. Setting up the Velop Pro 6e is relatively straightforward, albeit a bit tedious. You'll need to download the Linksys app and follow a series of steps to get everything up and running. While the app is user-friendly, the lack of a web-based interface may be a downside for some power users. Now, let's talk about features. The Velop Pro 6e comes equipped with cognitive mesh technology, which intelligently routes your devices to the best possible node for optimal performance. Plus, with support for a guest network, parental controls, and device prioritization, you'll have plenty of options to customize your setup to suit your needs. But how does it perform? Well, in our testing, the Velop Pro 6e delivered decent performance on the 5 GHz and 6 GHz bands, but fell short on the 2.4 GHz band, especially in congested environments. While ping times were a bit on the high side, overall, it provided reliable coverage throughout our test environment. So, here's the bottom line. The Linksys Velop Pro 6e may not be the absolute fastest mesh system on the market, but its sleek design, user-friendly app, and compatibility with future Wi-Fi 7 nodes make it a solid choice for those in need of reliable Wi-Fi coverage. If you have a large home and can overlook its minor shortcomings, the Velop Pro 6e is worth considering. And that wraps up our review of the Linksys Velop Pro 6e. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.